For me, main stage techno is the music that I play at 90% of my shows. So I have main, for me main is the tracks that I consider with main energy, that I consider like a good Danny Avila track that I can play my set. Groove is when I can also play my set, but it's a little bit more groovy, like a little bit less energy. Hard is, you know, those records that are like 138, 140 BPM, like I want to play a little harder. Then tech, dark, melodic for different purposes. And I organize myself pretty good. And then I have techno, which is not main stage techno. I would say main stage techno is one level up energy-wise, so it has, you know, this big energy, but techno is, you know, for me a little bit more linear, a little bit darker, a little bit more underground. So then I have my subfolders. I call it groove, driving, raw, hard. That's how I understand myself. And then, you know, I have tech house, melodic, because I'm a DJ that I've been collecting music for my whole life, and this is something I've been doing and I'm never gonna stop. And I recommend collecting lots of music to be able to play different sets and make sure you feel good when you are in different situations.